The Sony MHC V13 party speaker provides two distinct reset methods to address different troubleshooting scenarios. Understanding these options will help you resolve issues effectively. A power reset serves as a basic troubleshooting step, often resolving minor software glitches or temporary operational issues without affecting your settings. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the speaker to its original out-of-the-box state, effectively erasing all user-configured settings and data. You might need to reset your Sony MHC V13 in several situations, including Bluetooth connectivity issues such as pairing failures or frequent disconnections. Other scenarios include unresponsive controls, system errors, the desire to clear all paired Bluetooth devices and start fresh, or when troubleshooting sound issues. Before performing a factory reset, it is crucial to understand that this action will permanently erase all user-configured settings, including Bluetooth pairing information, custom sound settings, and equalizer preferences. This comprehensive understanding of reset options will prepare you for the specific procedures covered in the next section, ensuring you choose the appropriate method for your particular situation. Now we will walk through the specific procedures for performing both power resets and factory resets on your Sony MHC V13 speaker. The power reset is the simpler of the two reset methods. This procedure clears temporary system errors without erasing your saved settings. First, power off your Sony MHC V13 by pressing the power button. Ensure the device is completely turned off before proceeding. Next, unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet. This step is crucial. You must wait at least 60 seconds to ensure any residual electrical charge is completely drained from the system. Finally, plug the power cord back into the electrical outlet. For best results, connect directly to a wall outlet rather than using a power strip. Then press the power button to turn the device back on. The power reset is now complete. The factory reset is a more comprehensive procedure that returns your speaker to its original out-of-the-box state. This will erase all your saved settings, including Bluetooth pairings and custom sound preferences. Begin by disconnecting the AC power cord from the back of the speaker. Wait approximately 30 seconds before proceeding to the next step. Reconnect the AC power cord to both the speaker and the power outlet. Then press the power button to turn the speaker on. Now comes the critical step. Locate the Fiesta and Guitar buttons on the speaker's top panel. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for exactly 3 seconds. Some models may use the Mega Bass button instead of Guitar. Watch the speaker's display carefully. The indicator lights should flash for more than 3 seconds, and the word Reset should appear on the display. This confirms that the factory reset process has begun. The system should automatically reboot after the reset is complete. If it doesn't restart on its own, simply press the power button to turn it off, then press it again to turn it back on. Your Sony MHC V13 has now been successfully reset to factory settings.